Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook login error. I hope you guys are liked it. First thing, you need to check your internet connection. Your internet connection is working or not. If your Wi-Fi or data is not connecting, then switch both Wi-Fi to data or data to Wi-Fi. Then it is still not working. Turn on airplane mode for few seconds and turn it off. The second step is check if there are any updates are available or not. If you are Android user, then go to the Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, then go to the App Store and search their Facebook. And if you see their update available, then update it. And after updating, open the app. And if it's still not working, then go to the setting and go to the app management or clear cache and go to the app list. And if you are and search their Facebook, tap on the Facebook and go to the storage and cache and do tap on the clear cache. Sometimes if you don't have much storage on your device, then it also might be problem of login. Then do clear storage, and if it is still not working, then wait for a few seconds. Sometimes server are updating or something issues happens, and wait for a few seconds. Then if it is still not working, ask for the support team on the Facebook side and wait for a few seconds. Then after later, you restart your device or phone. Then you open the app and check it again. Thank you so much for this video. I hope you guys are liked it. If you like this video, then subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you.